Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. For a particular set of data n equals to 100, summation of s minus 50 equals to 123.5 and summation of s minus 50 to the power of 2 equals to 238.4. Find the mean and standard deviation in here. So we need to know that we have the summation in here, and we know that the summation we can separate them into s minus summation of 50 so we have n equals to 100, so the summation of 50 will be 50 multiplied with 100. And now we can find the total of value of s in here. After we find the total of value of s, we can find about the mean. So we have the mean equal to the total of value of s divided to n, and we have 5123.5 divided to 100. And we got about 50.235, and this is about the mean in here. Now we need to calculate about this value. We put about s minus the mean, and we need to find this value in here. So to calculate about this value, we will use this one and this one, we minus together. So we expand the s to the power in here, so we have the summation of s to the power of 2 minus 2 multiplied with 51.235. Then we multiply the summation of s plus in here we have 100 multiplied with this number to the power of 2, because they will repeat 100 times in the population. That's why we need to multiply with 100 in here. Similar for this one. Now because we have the negative, we will put next to the negative. This one change to the positive. 2 multiplied with 50, and we multiply with summation of s, and we have the negative, and this is about 100 multiply with 50. So now we will simplify this one. We have the summation of s to the power of 2, and we have the negative summation of s to the power of 2. They will eliminate. Minus 2 multiplied with this number plus 2 multiplied with this number. So in here we have the factor in here. We can put like this. and we have this number minus this number. The summation of s we just calculate in here, so we put in here. Now we need to calculate this value. That's about 244,847.4775. And now we can simplify this one. We know that this number is about 238.4, so we can find the summation of s minus 50.235 everything to the power 2. So we put the number in here plus this number, and this number in here we have 238.4. And we can get the answer in here. That's about 245,085.8775. And now we can find the variance. Variance is about this number divided to n, and we got about this number in here divided to 100. Sorry about that, I forget the bubble 2 in here. I just added the number. So now we can use this number divide to 100, and we got about the variance is about 0.858775. Now we can find about the standard deviation. Is about the square root this number and we got about 0.926, something like this. 7, and this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.